Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting your media into a clean library so editing stays fast and predictable. Import A-roll, B-roll, music, and SFX into labeled events. This makes syncing and replaces simpler. Once done, create optimized or proxy media if your computer struggles. This speeds playback and lets you cut without stalls. Make sure your project settings match your main clip's frame rate and resolution, because mismatched settings force unnecessary rendering later and cost time. You now build the timeline, lay down the main A-roll and do rough trims to get pacing right. Then add B-roll above the primary storyline to hide cuts and reinforce visuals. Use the transform tool to scale or reposition clips so shots match. Next, organize audio with rolls, dialogue, music, SFX, so you can mix quickly. After structure, apply a basic color grade using the color board to unify skin tones and exposure. This keeps your video looking professional and cohesive. You finish by exporting with the right codec and bitrate for YouTube. Choose H, 264 or HEVC, and a target bitrate around 1020 Mbps for 1080p so uploads look crisp without huge files. Make sure audio peaks sit near -6 dB and apply a limiter to prevent clipping. If playback or export stutter, switch to proxy media or clear render files and re-render the timeline. This resolves most performance issues quickly. Finally, upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.